What's up guys, Jake here, and welcome to part 3 of the My Dream Desk PC 2020 series, the PC build. If you haven't already, check out parts 1 and 2, which will be linked down in the description as well, so that way you are all caught up for what we are doing in this video, which is the PC build. Okay, so I know I said thank you last time, but I just want to give another huge thank you to Nick from Mansfield Fine Furniture. His social media is down in the description, so make sure that you do follow him, and as well as check out his cool website as well, that's down in the description. He was a huge help in designing and also building this desk. It would not have looked as great without him. So again, make sure to follow him on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and also to check out his website. That'll be linked down in the description. Well, yes, I am wearing this shirt from ttpmerch.com. Make sure to check out the link in the description, so that way you guys can pick one of these up. Okay, so we are here on day, I think it's 4 now, and so now we are going to be moving everything back to the studio because the desk is now all finished. So let's put everything in the car and head back to the studio. So for this build, I am using the Core i9-10900K from Intel that was just released. This was very hard to track down because there are not very many of them that are being sold right now. Then for the motherboard, I have the ROG Maximus 12 Hero with Wi-Fi built in. Then for the graphics card, I have the Radeon 5700 XT Thick Ultra 3. Then for the cooler, I have the Asus ROG Strix LC360 RGB AIO liquid cooler in the white edition to add a little accent color to the desk. Then I do have my 1TB NVMe SSD, as well as a Wi-Fi card, and I have 12 of these RGB fans that do go in the desk. Then for RAM, it looks like it did fall down, but I have the 32GB kit of G.Skill Trident Z Royale RAM. And so that is the PC. So right now I am going to unbox everything and start putting it together. Okay guys, so now we do have everything unpacked except for the power supply, which is an 850 watt Corsair RM850X white edition, so that gives the accent color again as well. Unfortunately, we do not have that in, and that will be coming in soon, but you guys will see that when we do put all of these parts into the desk PC. So right now we are going to be using a different Corsair power supply, which is the Corsair RM550. But now I'm going to put all of this together into a test bench, so that way we can test to make sure that everything does work. So let's jump into it. to stay tuned for part 4 of the My Dream Desk PC series 2020 edition, the finale, so that you can see all those glorious B-roll shots of the desk and what it looks like all finished. Okay guys, that just about wraps up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button as well as the subscribe button and that little bell notification icon right next to that. And I'm Jake, the Tech Professor, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.